In this video, I'm sharing 7 simple prompt tricks that'll help you get way more useful and detailed replies from Google AI Mode. Let's jump in. 1. Be extremely specific with your query. Avoid vague prompts. Instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," say, "Explain how generative AI is used in healthcare in 2025. The more specific you are with your topic, timeline, and intent, the more relevant and detailed your response will be. Second, include contextual details. Add background information to your prompt. For example, saying, "I'm a beginner trying to learn SEO for blogging, so how should I start with healthcare blogging?" before asking your main question helps Google AI Mode tailor its answer for your skill level and goals. Context gives the AI a frame of reference, reducing generic answers and boosting helpfulness. 3. Use prompt modifiers. Prompt modifiers are keywords that direct the tone and depth of the response. Examples include, "Explain like I'm 5, summarize the important aspect in bullet points," or "Give pros and cons." These modifiers tell AI how to structure the answer. Want a quick list? Say, "In bullet points." Need technical depth? Add, "For advanced users." Fourth, ask multi-part questions. Combine related sub-questions into a single prompt to get structured, comprehensive replies. For example, what is answer engine optimization? How does it differ from traditional SEO, and what tools can help implement it? Google AI Mode can handle compound questions and often presents them in sections or steps. 5. Follow up like a conversation. Think of Google AI Mode as a smart chat, not a search box. You can ask follow-ups like, "What is generative AI in marketing?" or, "Can you show case studies from healthcare brands using it?" AI retains context from your earlier prompt, so each new message refines or builds on the last. 6. Use entity-based and temporal queries. Structure your queries around entities, people, tools, companies, and time frames to target specific insights. Instead of "latest iPhone features," say, "iPhone 17 features released in 2025. Or ask, "How does ChatGPT 4o compare with Claude 3 in July 2025? Temporal and entity-driven prompts help Google AI Mode give time-relevant and brand-specific results, ideal for current data or comparisons. 7. Ask for content format styles. Want your answer as a list, table, summary, or script? Just ask. For example, "Summarize this in a table," or "Write this as a video script." Google AI Mode adapts to various output formats. And that's it. These prompt tricks really do make a difference when you're trying to get better answers. Give them a try and see what works for you.